gets warm and somewhere it's gonna be freezing.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is a video. We are in an ocean right now, and we're snorkeling. Brianna, Johan, say hello.
Hello. Hello, Gumball.
And this is the sea, and this is fish underneath the water.
I want to be.
Ew!
I can't hold my breath right now.
All the fish are gone right now.